Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Lever. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Lever broke out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it also broke down the support of another up channel on the same 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from this channel, it is still moving at this long-term support of $0.002. However, after these more touch points here, it has also confirmed another uptrend line support. You can see that we had a long spike here, we had a nice bounce, we had another bounce here, and now recently you can see that the price line is once again bounced very well from this uptrend line support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Liver that I shared on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that Liver formed with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, by the way. This was the buying zone and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 27 to 30% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Liver, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously we have been watching these breakouts from this channel. By the way, the target for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $0.0054. And after hitting that target, the price line formed another falling wedge pattern. And I've been telling you when it was moving inside this bed that once Liver will be able to break out this bed, then we can expect a very massive rally, another very massive pump. And you can see that after the breakout, from this low to here, you can see that Liver rallied almost 440%, but could not break out this up channel. And recently we have broken down the support of this channel. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakdown from this channel, that is here at the bottom of the channel, that is approximately at $0.0012. And so far the price line has dropped down up to $0.00183. But here we have found this uptrend line support. You can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And recently you can see that the price line is also dropped down at this long-term support of $0.002 as well. That was previously working as support here, and now for the past few weeks, it is once again working as a support. By the way, here it was also working as a resistance as well. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we also have a bullish divergence signal flash here. You can see that the price line formed this low here, and the next low was lower than the previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it was forming higher low. So this was a bullish divergence signal. Therefore, the price line has followed this signal, and it is bounced very well from the support of $0.002 and from this uptrend line support as well. Now we need to keep an eye on the next resistance, and still on this support as well, that is here at the $0.002. If the price line breaks down these two supports, the uptrend line support and this support of $0.002, then it can hit the target to the downside for this breakdown from this channel. And the next resistance will be here at $0.0031. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $0.0054. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.